Okay, so this guy is boiling. I think that's good. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the coffee in first. You see how I've cheated a tiny bit. This is not my first cup, this is my second cup. But nevertheless, here goes. I'm gonna just add to this one. So it's 1 scoop, which makes a really strong coffee. I've got strong beans in there as well. Okay, let's go. So this is the GSI Java Drip. It's just a percolator type coffee, and I've got some pretty strong fine ground beans. This time I'm gonna make a full cup of coffee. Yes. Let's go. Here we go. Sad thing is the crema is all on the top, but what's coming out the bottom looks really good. Oh, it looks so nice and it smells so good. Oh my gosh. So that looks really good. That looks really good. Nice. Just that taste. Now this is cowboy coffee, I reckon. Oh yeah. I can go with it just like that. This cream is frozen. Probably too much cream, but hey, I'm gonna do the exercise today. Oh yes, oh yes, strong and creamy and warm. It's really nice.